What's going on, YouTube fam? Savage Tech back in the building. Today, we're going to take a look at the AirPod Pros 2nd Gen. It's been a long time coming. I've had the 1st Gen since they first came out. You know, so long the Apple Care has expired. Is it really worth the upgrade? You say, Savage? Savage said you're absolutely correct. They might not be number one, but they are definitely worth the upgrade. Up to 2 times the noise cancellation, 6 hours on a single charge. I have a list of upgrades here. Will you dive in and spend that $250 on these Pros 2nd Gen? I did 3 times. I mean, we're not disappointed. You feel me? All right, let's take a look at, what we have in the box. All right. So we have the AirPod Pros. We have the case. And we also have the manual. That's that thing that we just toss to the side and get to the nitty gritty. You feel me? All right. So we also have the USB-C to Lightning bouquet. No, Apple has not changed this. It's probably going to be a minute before they do. But that's just your boy Savage talking. Check it. Alright. So, enough with that. Here are the Pros. 1 and 2. In your ear, here they go. Also, they put a little extra something in the box for us. That extra small ear tip. That's the one that my little one can put in his ear and wear comfortably. My little one. Savage got a medium going. You feel me? You got your lanyard right there on the side. You got your speakers. You got your power connector and stuff right there. New charging case. New features. There go the buzz there. There go the difference. Right there. Alright. These things are nice. New drivers. Better noise cancellation. Much, much better than I thought. And this right here is a much, much needed feature. To find my case. We needed that. You know how many times Savage has lost that case? How many times I lost my earbuds? But check it. Nice feature. The case now has that U1, Apple's U1 chip in it, which allows precision finding. That's correct. And it also plays an audio sound by tapping it. And the light flashes. Charge it now with MagSafe and your watch charger. Also, they added a nice little feature to this too. Volume control. Right on the stem. Right on the front of the stem. So just swipe up, swipe down with the touch. No need to fumble with your watch or look for your phone to change the volume. A new H2 chip with AI. This thing has active transparency mode, new drivers, which will give you better sound, better bass, active noise cancellation. I mean, this thing has a bunch of new features on it. 2 times more noise cancellation. The extra tips, which I really do appreciate that extra small, for my little one. Adaptive transparency. Real time. 48,000 times a second. And then you controlling your music and stuff right there on the stem. And the new swipe up, swipe down feature for your volume. I'm loving it. 6 hours on a single charge. 30 hours total. The new Find My Case, Find My Earbuds. I mean, that's needed. You can even play a sound with it. Now charging with MagSafe and Apple Watch chargers. Lanyard if you want it. Check the features. Man, they put some stuff in this. Will you be getting these? Yes or no? I have no regrets. Savage out.